Find the moment of inertia of the angle section shown in figure about the centroidal axis. Find the moment of inertia of the angle section shown in figure about the centroidal axis. This L section is given. Whenever we are approaching a problem, if we have a composite section, we have to split the composite section into regular sections. Here we have two rectangles that is combining to make a L section. This is how I have splitted. This is rectangle number 1 and this is rectangle number 2. The first step to find the moment of inertia is calculation of centroid. To calculate the centroid, construct a table like this. The first column is section, the second column is area, the third column is x bar, the fourth column is y bar, then it is ax bar, finally it is ay bar. Ax bar is the multiplication of area and x bar. Similarly, ay bar is the multiplication of area and y bar. The first section is a rectangle with a length of 8 and a height of 2. Here the rectangle is located at both x and y axis. First up, we can calculate the area. The area is length into breadth. It is 8 into 2 is equal to 16. X bar is the distance between the y-axis and the centroidal point. X bar is the distance between y-axis and the centroidal point. The overall length is 8 and by dividing the 8 by 2 it is equal to 4. That is the x bar value for rectangle. So for rectangle, the x bar and y bar value will be the total length divided by 2. Then y bar, the total height is 2. So by dividing the 2 by 2, it is equal to 1. Then ax bar is the multiplication of area and x bar. It is 16 into 4 is equal to 64. Similarly, ay bar is the multiplication of area and y bar. It is equal to 60. So similarly, we can calculate all the properties for section 2. The important point about section 2 is there is a small gap between the x-axis and the starting point of the rectangle. From the image you can see that here a 2 cm gap is there. Whenever we find a gap between axis and the section, we have to be very careful. Okay, just put the 2 cm here and plot the rectangle here. The height is 8 and the width is 2. Calculation of area, it is length into breadth, so it is 2 into 8 is equal to 60. X bar is the distance between y-axis and the centroidal point. The overall length is 2, so by dividing the 2 by 2, that is equal to what is x bar. Then when we calculate y bar, first put the empty space between the section and the axis. It is 2, then after 2 the section is starting. Okay, so put 2 plus, then the overall height is 8. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Okay. Here ax bar is area times your x bar, it is 16, and ay bar is area times your y bar. So 16 into 6 it is equal to 96. Summation of area is 32, summation of ax bar is 80, summation of ay bar is 102. To find the centroidal value, x bar is equal to summation of ax bar divided by summation of a, that is equal to 80 is the summation of ax bar, then summation of a is 32. It is 80 divided by 32, that is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then y bar is equal to summation of ay bar divided by summation of a. Summation of ay bar is 112 and summation of a is 32. It is 112 by 32, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. First step is over. X bar and y bar is 2.5 and 3.5. The second step is calculation of moment of inertia. The next table, the first column is section number, the second column is ixx self, the third column is iy self, the fourth column is ai y bar minus y bar the whole square, and fifth column is ai xi bar minus x bar the whole square. Because to find the ixx and iy value about the centroidal axis, this is our equation. We have ixx self here. Also we have the summation of ai y bar minus y bar here. Similarly for IYY, we have IYY self and AI xi bar minus x bar. When we calculate IXX, y will be here. And when we calculate IYY, x will be. The IXX self formula for calculating for a rectangle, it is BH cube divided by 12. Since the first section is a rectangle, the formula for calculating the IXX is BH cube divided by 12. For first section, the B is 8 and H is 2, so it's 8 into 2 cube divided by 12. Similarly for IYY, the equation for calculating the IYY for a rectangle is HB cube divided by 12. So for the first section, the H is 2 and B is 8. It is 2 into 8 the whole cube divided by 12. Here for the first section, this A is A1 and YA is Y1 divided minus Y bar the whole square. A1 is the area of section 1. It is 16 and YA is Y bar value of section number 1. Y bar is Y bar value of section number 1. It is 1. 1 minus Y bar is the centroidal value. It is 3.5 centimeter. So it is 16. 1 minus 3.5 the whole square is equal to 100. Similarly, here also it's the same section, so the area is 16 and xi bar is x1 bar and the x bar value of section number 1. This is 4. Okay. It is 4 minus the x bar value, it is common centroidal point, it is 2.5 centimeter. So it is 16, 4 minus 2.5 the whole square is equal to 36. Then for section 2 is also a same rectangle. So the formula will be BH cube divided by 12 for calculating IXX. Here the B value is 2 and the H value is 8 for section 2. So it is 2 into 8 cube divided by 12. Similarly for IYY, the equation will be HB cube divided by 12. Here the H is 8 and B is 2. So it is 8 into 2 cube divided by 12. That is equal to 5.33. Then here A is A2 since we are calculating for section number 2. It is A2 Y2 bar minus Y bar the whole square. Okay. A2 is the area of section number 2. It is 16 and Y2 bar is Y bar value of section number 2. This is 6. It is 6 and Y bar value is again the same. It is 3.5 centimeter. So put 3.5 centimeter the whole square, that is equal to 100. Then A2 is again 16, then x2 bar is 1. Okay. So it's 1 minus 2.5 the whole square. So 2.5 is the x bar value. It's 2.5 the whole square, that is equal to 36. Calculate the summation of everything. Then finally by using the parallel axis theorem, IXS is equal to summation of IXX self plus summation of AI YA bar minus Y bar the whole square. Summation of IXX self is 90.66. Then summation of AI YA bar minus Y bar is 200. So 90.66 plus 200, that is equal to 290.66 centimeter power 4. Similarly IYY is equal to summation of IYY self plus summation of AI xi bar minus x bar the whole square. Summation of IYY self is 90.66. Then summation of AI xi bar minus x bar is 72. 90.66 plus 72, that is equal to 162.66 centimeter for 4. Thank you.